rather. It's not a turbo, I know that.
No? Okay, it's probably a 2.5 then. It's got a wider turning radius.
Mm-hmm. That is bigger.
I can feel that. So you've really got that.
It's a 2-liter four-cylinder.
Okay. So let's see what it does. Not as smooth, but it's still...
Yeah,
that's not floaty.
It still grips, isn't it?
Yeah. It's actually a good zip. That's not bad for a 2-liter.
Tell the 2-liter grabs higher.
Yeah.
For a truck, it's really
Yeah, that's not bad. Exactly. It's not. I'm not feeling like I'm scared here.
Maybe you're not.
I hope I'm not scaring you.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah. I'm not.
Okay,
Yeah,
hard on it.
that's pretty funny actually. I think I'm not scary to drive.
It really stops too, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. The brakes work well.